Halfway through the afternoon, they heard a lion sneeze.
I've caught the flu.
The lion roared.
Can someone help me, please?
Bang, crash, thump, they landed. Then Pearl said,
Take this pill. And do keep warm. That's terribly important when you're ill.
but the lion's cave was chilly. So Zog said,
Fetch some wood. Huh?
Then he breathed out lots of flames until the fire burned bright and good.
Thank you, noble dragon. I'm feeling nice and warm.
Then the team of flying doctors sped away into the storm. As evening fell, they saw a great big palace down below,
My uncle's house.
said Princess Pearl.
Let's go and say hello.
Bang, crash, thump. They landed. Huh?
Pearl's uncle is the king.
He didn't say hello. Instead, he said,
You naughty thing!